Hey everyone, Dave from Repairs Rule. So just got done mowing where you're really starting to hit the mowing season. Notice some uneven cuts on the grass. Checked my deck. That's what we're going to talk about today. Just stay tuned. So this is my old trusty X-Mark, and these are anti-scalping rollers that they have on the deck. This deck floats basically, or hung by the chains, and when you get onto some uneven ground, prevent scalping, they use these rollers, which I do replace, and I keep these actually in stock all the time because they go bad. So this is a good example right here. You swing around here. So this one is just worn out. You can see how it rocks, get a better angle. So I'm going to replace it real quick. It's easy to do. Let me set up the tripod. I'll show you what I'm going to do, and we'll talk about it. Okay, so again, this is just a quick little video to show you how these change. They're very easy, and what I use. So the brand that I like is this one right here. It's called Stens. Really like this brand. I've used it for several different things. So we're going to pop this this roller out, and we're going to get it installed. And I'll show you how what it's equipped with. This is the new roller. They do send you a new bolt set with it. So on mine, and some of these are going to be a little bit different, as you can see on this bolt set, they send you a sleeve. And well, here, let me pull it out. I'll show you here. See if you can see it a little better. So they send you a bolt with a sleeve to take it up to the diameter that's needed for this particular mower application. So on mine, and again, I replace these every so often. Mine takes a 9/16, and I just sprayed it with a lubricant. You just break it loose. And again, if you take these off often, they're usually easy to get off. You can get finger tight and then snug it down with your ratchet. But anyway, we have a washer. Oh yeah, that one's just flat worn out, the diameter of that hole. My bolt down here is actually it's in good shape. I'm going to take a little bit of sandpaper here and take that roughness off a little bit, and we'll get this installed. Okay, so what I do is I always put a touch of grease on that axle. The spaced side goes in. This is recessed on this side. Have your washer, the nut. We'll snug it down here. And we're going to snug, see if we have play. Oh yeah, it's just about perfect. As always with those Stens rollers, I mean, guys, I'll tell you what, they're really nice. I'm going to snug it a little bit more, and we're perfect. So we're going to have a link for these in the description below. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.